Hello, namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So, how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having a good day today. So, if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. So, in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay. So, today's pick a card reading is messages from your future self. So, what your future self wants you to know about your future. So that is going to be the reading for today. Remember, these are general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. And these are also timeless readings, so whenever you watch, this reading is for you. Okay, so I have three groups over here: pile 1, pile 2, pile 3 as usual. So close your eyes, relax, let go of all the worries, and then select a group that calls to you. Okay, so for group number 1, this is the card and this is the crystal, green aventurine for group number 1. For group number 2, lapis lazuli. And for group number 3, it's bloodstone. Okay, so relax, take your time. If you need more time, please pause the video and take your time and then select a group. Okay, the timestamps will be in the description box. So I'm going to start with the group number 1. So group number 1, if you choose this aventurine crystal and this dry desert, then this is your reading. Dry desert, 31 number. Okay, so for some of you, I feel like your plans are not working the way it should. Maybe the things, relationship or your job is not working the way it should be. You're feeling like you're in a desert and you're feeling like you're not going to get that water. You will be always thirsty. Maybe you're feeling like that. But remember, this cactus, you have that much of inner strength. You can overcome anything. Okay, you will reach your destination, don't worry. You have that power, you have that inner strength. Like this cactus, they survive this hot weather, right? You will be able to survive this. That is what your future self wants you to know, that, right? You will get there. You will get there. That is what I feel like. You will reach a place where you will get the water. You're not going to be thirsty anymore. That is what I feel like. Okay, you have everything that you need, that is inside of you. Maybe you're seeking it outside, so your future self is saying to seek it inside of you. Maybe for some of you, you are seeking love outside of you. It's time to seek it inside of you. Okay, so let's see what are the keywords for you guys. For group number 1, what are the keywords from your future self? Okay. Breaking patterns. Wow, look at that. Yes, you are going to break the patterns. You're going to heal yourself. You're going to break your own behavioral patterns. Maybe for some of you, you feel like that you're getting out of your limited beliefs. So right now I feel like you have certain patterns that is not good for you, but I feel in your future you are going to break that patterns. Maybe for some of you, it's like your family had this pattern. Like, yeah, maybe financially your family was not good financially. It was like a pattern, and you will be the one who will be breaking that. Okay, or maybe your own behaviors, you're going to break that pattern. Maybe it can be depression or it can be anxiety. You're going to break, and you're going to rise above that things in your life. That is what your future self is saying you, because you are going to understand your own power, your own strength, your own inner strength. So yeah, self-expression. Yeah, okay, you're going to express yourself. Story. Okay, so let's see. You're going to express your story. So maybe for some of you, it's like you are going to express something that happened to you in your past, and you might be healing from it. Maybe for some of you it's like you're going to your future self is saying, for some of you it's like your future self is saying, go seek a therapist or a counselor. They will help you to this to break your own patterns, like behavioral patterns. It's time to express yourself. Maybe for some of you it's time to maybe if someone did you wrong or something like that, it's time to break free from that and express yourself that you did wrong. Maybe for some of you it's like you need to share your story, express yourself, okay, just speak your truth, okay. That is very important for you guys here. So your future self is saying, maybe your future self is like encouraging you to break your own patterns. Maybe for some of you it can be procrastination. Maybe you're procrastinating certain things, like you're maybe you need to get rid of that. For some of you it's like, I am getting this, maybe for some of you there is a trauma, like childhood trauma. Maybe you need to speak your truth. Maybe you have kept it hidden. It's time to express it. So when we express, that is when we heal, right? It is going to be very, very difficult, but it will be worth it to share your story, to come out, okay, to come out. Yeah, your future self is saying. So that's why maybe in your life right now you're struggling with different things. You feel like you do a lot of work, but sometimes in life that happens, right? We do a lot of hard work, we do so many things, but nothing good happens out of it. So maybe you're in that phase of your life, and your future self is saying it's because of your past patterns, like because of your past, because you're in your past, because you haven't healed from your past. So it's the time to express that and let it go. Maybe for some of you it's because of your ex-partner that you are right now feeling stuck. You are feeling that you are not able to move forward. So it's like you need to talk, you need to release, okay. For some of you, I even feel like you need to do Reiki or something. If it's possible, if you intuitively feel like you need to have a Reiki session, go for it, okay. For some of you, through meditations, you can break that patterns, like yeah. And for others, I feel like you need to seek a therapist, talk to them, release it. And for some of you, it's like you can write it down. Journaling will help you a lot, okay. So I feel like you're stuck because of your past. You're stuck right now in your present because you haven't healed from your past. So that's why things are not happening for you guys. You try a lot, you do everything, but you feel like you're in the desert. So your future self is saying you will reach there, you will reach your destination, you will get the water. Like you're very, I feel like this woman is so thirsty, she needs the water, right? So you will get there, but right now you're lost. You need to get back to your integrity. You need to express yourself. You need to say your story. If you are hiding something from someone, maybe your close relative did something bad to you, or and you haven't spoken about it, it's time to speak that, right? You can speak it, you can release it. Maybe it will create a drama, but you need to be free from it, right? When we hide it, when we suppress it, our life doesn't move forward. Maybe for some of you it's like you need to forgive someone so you can move forward, like forgiving people, your past people, and moving forward, okay. That is what, oh my god, this is like, for some of you you have gone through a lot in your past, and because of that you have suppressed a lot of things, and that's why right now you're feeling very stuck. So let's see. Yeah, it's time to be confident. It's time to it's time to speak your truth. Be your confident self. It's time to take courage. It will take a lot of courage from your part, definitely, because this is not going to be easy. I have to say, expressing yourself, speaking your truth, like the truth that triggers you, right? Sometimes things like that happen because of our past. Someone says something, we get very angry over it because it triggered us, right? So yeah, you need to let go of that pattern. What is it that triggers you a lot, right? You need to understand that and break free from that. You can do it. That is what your future self is saying. And you can become the confident self who can express, right? Sometimes we don't express ourselves. We are so afraid to say things to other people. We are so afraid to speak our truth, like your future self is like encouraging you to do that right now, and that is when you will be able to get out of that patterns. For some of you, you need to tell the truth to your family members and get out of it. Maybe your family members are not supportive, maybe you need to get out of that family home, or whatever it is, you need to express and do that and forgive them, so you can move forward in your life and you can become the confident self, right? For some of you, I even feel like that you are into tarot, or you are into astrology, or you are into the spiritual stuff, but your family doesn't support, and it's not and you're not feeling good about it. Maybe for some of you, you need to take that stand, and you need to express yourself that this is what you need to do. You know, sometimes we change things for our family, we change ourselves for other people, and this thing will never help you in any way, because you will not be happy if you change for other people, right? If you feel like you need to change, it's okay, but if you change for other people, even if you don't want to change, it will not be good for you, okay? So it's time to take a stand for yourself. It's time to express yourself, share your story, break free from that patterns, seek a counselor, therapist, okay? And because you are meant to become this, you're meant to be a confident person. For some of you, coming out, like saying the truth, accepting yourself. Okay, 8 of Wands and King of Pentacles. So for some of you, I feel like with this 8 of Wands, you're going to move away from the people who have hurt you, right? So I see that you will be moving away from your family home. For some of you, I feel like that you will be moving away, you will be relocating, you will be traveling. For some of you, it's like you want to travel, that is your hobby, or that is what you want to do. So for some of you, it's like you need to take that step forward, right? You need to speak your truth, you need to tell, you need to speak up for yourself, okay? Don't let anyone control you. Sometimes people control us. Sometimes people try to make us things that we don't want to do, or maybe you have been doing that for so long, now you are like, no, I don't want to do it, and because of that you're feeling stuck, because you are in control of other people. So you need to break that. Maybe for some of you, it's like that you need to break from a relationship or a job that is holding you, like, yeah, you need to let it go, you need to move away from that. And when you will take first step, your future self is saying things will happen very quickly for you guys, okay? And look, we have the King of Pentacles. For some of you, I even feel like there is a person who will help you with this, okay? For some of you, there is a teacher, there is a mentor. I am getting this, can be a counselor also, who will help you to break from this pattern, or maybe your partner, or maybe you will meet someone new who will help you. There is help also for you guys, okay? There is a person, this person can be a earth sign, yeah, very mature financially. This person will be mature financially, good, yeah. For some of you, I even feel like that if you're struggling financially, this person might help you with money also, okay? There is help, there is help, yeah. Look, we have coffin and a gift. So release this thing, and this is end of a cycle, right? Your future self is saying you need to take that first step, you need to speak your truth, and when you will do that, this cycle of pain, of hurt will end for you guys, and you will be like, thank God I did this, and you will be feeling so, like, with this gift, you will be like, I'm getting a rebirth energy for you guys. You will be like, oh my God, I did that, thank you, right? Maybe you will be very thankful for this person who, like a counselor or a therapist, who will help you, right? So yeah, or maybe it's you who is doing that, and you will be so grateful that, yeah, I did that, I broke that cycle, I did come out of my depression or my anxiety. Yeah, you're getting out of this phase. A cycle is ending for you guys. You're becoming confident. Maybe you felt like worthless. Some of you, I even feel like that. You have felt worthless. You have felt like you're not good for anything. You're not fit to do anything. But you're finally getting out. You are getting out. Your future self is saying you will get out of the situation. This is ending. This cycle of pain, guilt, like, yeah. abuse, whatever it is, it's ending and it's a new life for you guys. So don't take that pain with you, okay? Release it, because there is a new life for you. Yeah, many of you are getting out of a codependent codependency and release your ex. You were codependent on someone, maybe your family members, because they made you feel like that, right? Sometimes a family makes us feel like you are not good enough. You want someone to help you always. You cannot do things by yourself, and you were very dependent. Maybe for some of you it's your thinking habits, your alcohol, your drinking, drugs, whatever it is. This is what is stopping you right now. You need to let go of this habit, release this habit of yours. Maybe for some of you it's a person you are codependent on. You need to release that. Maybe this person is controlling you, okay? You need to move out. For some of you it can be an earth sign who is controlling you, and you need to get out of this situation. And when you will get out from this situation, I'm getting two scenarios. I told you, like, this person, for some of you this one will help, and for others I feel like this is the one who is trying to control you, and you will be out of that situation. Maybe you're in codependent relationship with this person, and this person is trying to control you. It's time to release this person. Maybe for some of you I even feel like that you are out of this relationship, and then to energetically you are you haven't released this person, so it's time to release this person. It's time to break that pattern, right? So yeah, it's time to clear this energy. It's time to let go of this person, this habit, because this is not good for you. That is what your future self wants you to know, that it's time to break this pattern. And when you will break this pattern, you will be like, oh, my life is so wonderful. That is what you need to do. And you will heal, guys. You need to take action right now. You need to work on this thing. That is what your future self is saying. Yeah, right now if you're single, if you like, for some of you need to be optimistic about your love life, right? Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. For some of you, yeah, you were in this codependent relationship, or because of that you feel like that you are not worthy to get a good love relationship, because all your relationship has been like this. Or maybe you are in a relationship that is codependent. For some of you it's like you need to release this person and be optimistic about your love life. Sometimes we make because our thoughts are very powerful. So your future self is saying, what is your thinking, what are you thinking, what are your thoughts? It's time to filter your thoughts, right? It's time to be more positive about your love life. It's time to be more positive about your career, whatever it is. It's time to be optimistic about your life, okay? And these patterns of addictions, you need to release that. Yeah, you need to change your vibration, guys. Yeah, that is what I feel like. You need to do the work right now. You need to, for some of you, if you are feeling that you need help, if you are in a phase where you are overthinking, you're stressing, it's time to get help. It's time to share, it's time to express yourself. If you want help, go seek help. Take your phone, call your friend. If you trust a friend, if there is a friend, call them and speak to them and ask for help. For others of you, if you feel like if you have already done that thing, if you have already asked for help, remember there is help, and you will be able to move forward in your life. Your vibration is shifting, okay? And for others, it's like you need to let go of that alcohol, or if you're addicted to smoking, alcohol, to this, the things that, there are so many things that keep us stuck, right? It can be a person, a relationship, a job, procrastination, our eating habits. What is it that you need to let go of? This is like your future self is saying, it's time to think about it. It's time to share your story. It's what is triggering you? What is the thing that you need to release? Yeah. When you take that first step, when you ask for help from your spirit guides, there is help coming for you, guys. You are moving away from these things with this 8 of Wands energy. And yeah, child of the light. You're the child of the light, right? Your ancestors, your spirit guides are with you. They're telling you. Look at the 33 number. Maybe you're seeing 333s, okay? And look, with this butterfly transformation. But you need to take that first step. You need to let go of that addictions, you need to let go of that anxiety. If you are feeling very depressed or something like that, it's time to seek for help, because there is light coming your way. Look at the yellow color here with this 8 of wands also. You need to shift your vibration. For some of you, if you're feeling stuck, if you're feeling dependent on someone, it's time to express yourself. Like if your partner is for some of you, it can be like that your partner is trying to control you and making you do things that you don't want to do. So it's time to open up, it's time to speak your truth. So sometimes we are so afraid of losing things that we suppress things, right? Don't suppress it, express. That is what your future self is saying. If you will not express yourself, if you will not express your needs, right, then how, if you will keep it all inside, it will not be good for you guys. If you suppress your emotions, it is not good. You need to release that. If you want to cry, if you want to talk to someone, go talk to someone, seek help, and that is when you will be able to release it, right? So that is the message I'm getting for you guys. That is what your future self right now is saying to you. You're not going to be stuck forever, but you need to make that change. You need to get out of that bed. For some of you, if you're procrastinating, you need to get out of the bed and make that change, right? If you're eating unhealthy, if your room is messy, you need to get out and clean that room, right? So it's like that. It's for some of you, it's like start meditation or seek help, seek therapy. Or if you want to see a doctor, go see a doctor, right? Express yourself. For you guys, it's like you need to express all that pain, that hurt you had. Express it, come out. That is when you will be free. That is when you will shift your vibration. That is when this cycle of pain, hurt will end. Okay, that is what I have for you guys. Bye bye, take care guys. Oh my lovelies, if you choose this group number 2, lapis lazuli, and this card, then this is your reading. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shuffle some keywords from your future self for you guys. So what you need to know right now, what your future self wants you to know right now. So let's take like some keywords for you guys. Okay, we got 3 keywords, so let's see. So the first one for you guys is story. Okay, then new beginnings. Wow. And yes, magic. Yeah, you know, my pile tools are always about magic. Last video was also about magic. Now there is also an element of magic. So you guys, your future self is saying that you will be working with the elements, like the 4 elements: air, water, earth, fire. Yeah, if you're working with it, keep on doing it, because you're magic, you're manifestors. You are going to manifest a lot of things if you do rituals, if you're doing like this full moon rituals and all. And if you listen to my last video, if you chose that group, this is a confirmation that all your rituals or all the manifestations, like if you're doing scripting, if you're using law of attraction, that is going to work for you guys. Okay, you're magic manifestors. And look, story and new beginnings. With the story, what I feel like, you're going to share your story of how you became so successful. You are going to share your stories, like how you became so confident, how you achieved so much success. You will be helping other people by sharing your story. You will be healing other people by sharing your story. Okay, you will be giving this new beginning to a lot of people. That is also, I feel like, right? You will be giving this for you guys, you will do this magic, and you will help other people to change their life. I feel like you are light workers. For some of you, witches, light workers, you are meant to heal the world in some way. Maybe you can heal your family, but yes, you are healing right now. And you are going to experience a lot of magical moments in your life, and you will be sharing these magical moments with other people, and you will be giving so much of light. You are a ray of hope. That is what I feel like. That is what your future self wants you to know. And they like your future self is saying, just be proud of yourself because you're doing good right now. So even if you feel like you're sometimes you might feel like you're lonely, you have to do this alone, right? Maybe not many people are understanding, right? Sometimes when we do this magic, when we do these rituals, maybe people are like, what are you doing, like what is this thing, why are you always meditating, or why are you getting up so early, like people, why are you not eating non-veg? Maybe for some of you that is also like, why are you doing this, that, like people will be questioning a lot of things. When you share your magical stories, people will be like, oh, what is this, is he or she crazy? Like people, sometimes people don't understand, right? It's okay because now it's like people might not understand, but you are going to attract a lot of people who will understand, who will like people will be like recognizing you for your efforts. Like maybe you don't get recognized so much right now, but people will be like wow, they'll see you and they will be like, oh my god, how you did this? Like they will be asking you, and you'll be like, yeah, I did this like this, and you'll be sharing your story, and it will help a lot of people. And the people who are not supporting you now, but I see that your future self is like, don't worry about them, because they will see that growth, they will see your success, and they'll be like, yeah, then they will believe you. Okay, so and remember, some people are not in so alignment, right? Sometimes they don't understand. It's okay, just let it go. If someone is not understanding you, don't try to overshare things. Maybe for some of you, I feel like you try to share things. You know, when we experience some magical moments in our life, we like to express, right? We like to say things to people because we are so happy, it makes us happy. But when we say that, we don't get the response we want, right? So it's better you don't share these things, keep it to yourself. Or like your future self is saying, it's okay to keep it to yourself. Enjoy it because you can enjoy it by yourself. Okay, but definitely you will be sharing these stories in the future for sure. Okay, if you're not doing it right now, you're going to share the stories, you're going to give so much of hope to other people. Okay, with the spirit of place, I am just attracted to this year and this 4 number. Like if you're worrying about your stability, security, okay, you don't have to worry about it. So if you're single right now, okay, this is a message for the singles who are watching this video. If you're single and you're like seeking love, when will I get this love? Or maybe you're doing so many rituals for love, it will come. But first you need to seek love inside of you. Like love yourself, take care of yourself. If you're doing that work, if you're loving yourself, if you're like getting up, taking care of yourself, doing the things you like, if you're doing that, of course your spirit guides, your angels have listened to your prayers. Yes, the person is coming, don't worry. Okay, so and if you're already married, I feel like your relationship is going to be very, very stable and secure. Okay, and good news is coming for you guys, many of you. And I'm getting like one more message for you guys. Your future self wants you to know that there are so many like seasons, right? There is autumn, there is spring, there is summer. Every year it cannot be spring, right? So remember that always. There will be period when you have to let go of the things like autumn, right? And then there will be period when there will be spring. So just enjoy every moment of your life. Don't stress when there are obstacles and difficulties, because you will be able to overcome it. Okay, so that is the message. Let's see what else. Action. Okay, so for some of you, it's time to follow your passion. Okay, yeah, for some of you, I even feel like that right now. Maybe people are not that supportive. Like they're like, why you have to do this? Like why are you trying dancing at this age? Like why can't you do something else? This thing will not give you that much of like freedom or money, financial freedom. So maybe for some of you, you have a passion, you want to pursue it, and you are manifesting that, I feel like. But at the same time, there are people around you who is like not so happy about that. So your future self is saying you don't have to worry about them, just do what makes you happy and take action. Without action, uh, you will not be able to achieve anything. Okay, so it's time to take action. If you want to become a dancer, go practice every day, you can do it. Okay, with faith, with hope, you can do it. You can achieve anything that you desire to, because remember, you are magic, you have that. Okay, you have certain creative abilities, you have this ability. So take action, don't stop yourself because of other people, right? Sometimes there will be scenarios where you feel like that you're not moving forward, but don't let that thing stop you from achieving your goal. Go for it. Okay, be clear with your intention, don't go back and forth. That is an advice from your future self. Okay, 4 of Pentacles, and we have 9 of Pentacles. So yeah, again with the self love, I'm getting here 9 of Pentacles energy. So it's so if you want love, you need to love yourself first, take care of yourself first. It's also about lapis lazuli, expressing yourself, expressing your truth. So if you want to do something, it's time to get out of your box. Okay, for some of you, yeah, some of you, I feel like you have you have problem sharing your truth. Maybe if you're with your partner, you want to say something and you're like, oh, what will he think or she think, and you just stop yourself. Don't do that. Okay, express yourself, speak your truth, be authentic to yourself. That is very important for you guys. Your future self is saying that. Yeah, sometimes it's difficult, it's difficult to say certain things, like if you don't like something about your partner and you want to express that, but at the same time you are afraid that if he will like it or not, if he or she will like it or not. Yeah, so what we do is like we keep it to ourselves. Don't do that. Okay, you can express yourself kindly, you can be compassionate, like express yourself. Yeah, this thing is not working for me, can you change that? You can be you can say that, isn't it? Okay, if there are people around you, if your friends are like that, maybe you need to speak your truth. You keep it to yourself. It's time to speak up, it's time to express yourself. Okay, so your future self is saying be authentic to yourself, express yourself, and seek love within yourself. Maybe you're very kind to other people, you take care of other people, but when it comes to yourself, it's like you take yourself for granted or something like that. So don't do that. With this 9 of Pentacles, if you are planning like if you're starting something new in your career and you're very stressed about the finances, so maybe that's why you hold on to money. For some of you, I even feel like you have fear spending money. You're like, oh, if I spend this much money, will I get it back? Or like you have so much of fear spending money because of your past beliefs maybe. But I see that your future self is saying you don't have to worry about that, because you're going to be abundant. Look, with this 4 of Pentacles, this person is like holding on to the money he has, right? And this is 9 of Pentacles, this is the future you don't have to do that, because there will be a lot of money, a lot of happiness, a lot of prosperity, but you need to take care of yourself, because 9 of Pentacles expresses herself. She doesn't do something that she doesn't like. Okay, for you guys, I feel like you're in a zone where you feel like safe, but you're not happy there. You have the money, you have the comfort maybe, but you're not so happy. I feel like that. So it's like, get out of your comfort zone, do something do something that you always want to do. Like your future self is saying, don't worry about your finances, don't worry about your stability, because you're going to be okay. Okay, so yeah, that is the thing. And yes, this is the thing you will be sharing to other people, your story, how you came out of your comfort zone, how you spoke your truth, right? Like, you will be talking about being true to yourself and taking care of your own self. Sometimes we give so much to other people that we become drained, right? Because our cup is empty at that time. So it's time to fill your cup and then give it to other people. If your cup is not full, how you're going to do that, right? So yeah, that is what your future self, because your future is 9 of Pentacles. You're not going to be this 4 of Pentacles. You will have enough to spend. You will be able to give to other people. Okay, you are going to do something that makes you happy. Okay, yeah, because you're magic manifestors. So yeah, a lot of things are going to change for you guys. So if you are in a place like this Four of Pentacles, you're going to come out of this energy. Like, you are not going to be in a comfort zone. You are going to be the ones who will be taking risk. Yeah, you'll be taking risk. You will be moving forward. For some of you, it's like a lot of travel is also possible for you guys, like mentally traveling, like moving ahead in your journey, right? So for some of you, you are like, you're limited, your set of limit. This Four of Pentacles, they have a set, their limited belief is like that, oh, if they spend a lot of money, it will not come back. But you're becoming a person who knows that universe will give you what you want, right? Because you have the magic. So yeah, you're getting out of this fearful energy to fearless energy. You're becoming fearless person, courageous, confident. That is what I feel like. If you're worried about your money or something like that, your future self is saying you're not going to be doing that in your future. You will not be worried about it. Okay, so the things you're worried about now, it is not going to be a concern anymore in your future. Things are going to change because you're changing, right? Yeah, and you will help other people. That is the strongest, I feel. Through your story, you will help other people. You will give new beginnings to other people through your own magic. You will help them make their own magic. Like, you will help them to create magic in their life. You will make them believe in magic. Wow, look at it. True love and honeymoon. So yeah, your future self is saying you don't have to worry about your love life. Yeah, if you're worrying, if you're single, or whether I will have that true love, yes, you will have. Just right now, all you need to do is to love yourself, take care of yourself. You're going to be attracting a lot of people, and you will attract this person. Okay, there is a true love happening for you guys. And for some of you, I feel like you will be getting married maybe by next year, or like, yeah, I'm getting this for April month. I told you, maybe celebrating things. Maybe for some of you, you might be going to a honeymoon. Like, if you're already married, you might be traveling with this person. It will be like, sometimes, even if you're married like for 10 years, like, things will be like very good. Like, it will be like honeymoon phase for you guys. So yeah, your future self is saying you don't have to be concerned about your love life at all. Okay, if you're concerned about it, you don't have to be, because your love life will be amazing. You will have a partner who will understand you. If your partner is not right now, if your partner is not understanding you, I feel this is saying that they will, because you're growing. You're going to do a lot of things out of your comfort zone. That is what your future self is going to saying. You are going to be magical. Okay, there is so much potential for you guys. Okay, and your love life is going to be amazing. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, confidence. So yeah, for some of you, like, you are in this energy, like Four of Pentacles. You're like, oh, I'm not confident. I cannot speak in front of people. And your future self is saying you're going to do that anyway. You're going to share your story, and you're going to be very confident. Okay, so yeah, you are becoming very confident. So your future self is going to be very confident. That is what I feel like. Very confident, very courageous. You're this go-getter type. If you want something, you will go and achieve it, right? You're going to be recognized for your work. So whatever you're doing, don't worry, because everything is going to work out for you guys. Okay, and I'm getting like all the fears that you have right now is not going to be any concern for you in your future. Okay, so yeah, let's see what else. Yeah, we are the ones we have been waiting for. So Clan of the Wolf Heart, like, a lot of spiritual development also is going to happen for you guys. I feel like if you're already spiritual, if you are following the spiritual path, because I feel like you are on a spiritual journey, because with this magic and all, you believe in magic. So yeah, you are I feel like for many of you, you have seen certain kind of magic in your life, right? Yeah, and yes, you are going to see more of that things in your life. Okay, so don't worry. Spend your money fearlessly and wisely. Okay, that is also important, because and money is just an energy, right? Remember that. It's about giving and receiving. So the more you give, the more you receive. and give gratitude to the divine. And yeah, I feel for many of you, you will have a community, and you will help this community to thrive. Maybe Instagram, YouTube, whatever, or maybe in your neighborhood you will have a community where you will meet people, you will talk with them, you will motivate them, or yeah, or maybe you will have a group of friends who you can talk with, who you can vibe with. Like you will be talking about this magical stuff, you will be talking about rituals, maybe you will have a dance group, like dancing with them, making videos with them. So whatever it is, there is a lot of support for you guys, and there is a lot of help around you. Okay, you don't have to do everything by yourself. So right now maybe you're doing everything by yourself, like your future self is saying, in the future there is a lot of people who will support you. You don't have to do everything by yourself in the future. Okay, there is support. Yeah, there is a lot of support for you guys. So I'm getting this anger. Maybe for some of you, you get angry very quickly. So it's like your spirit guides is telling, yeah, like your future self and your spirit guides are telling you to seek that love inside. When you seek that love inside, the more you seek that love inside, this anger, this frustration will all dissolve, right? Okay, so yeah, that is for my group number 2. Look, things are changing for you guys. We have 14 number, and again we got 2 4s, right? And 9, we have 6. So yeah, 5, we have 6, we have 4, 5, 6. Look at it, we have 4, we have 5, and we have 6. So like you are stepping up, you are moving forward. Okay, remember that in your love life also you're moving forward. For some of you, I even feel like that you might travel with this person after marrying. Maybe you will relocate to some different place. That is also, I feel like, okay, that there is a chance for that, like relocating to a different country, making friends there, building a community there. That is also quite possible. Okay, so that's it for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Group number 3, if you choose this bloodstone, you're very creative people. Your future self wants you to know that. Very, very creative people. So if you're into this creative field, by observation, like be aware, guys. Through awareness, through observation, you can make magic. Like you can create new things, you can create unique things, right? You're very, very creative. Okay, if you're writers, if you do creative writing, if you do something with plants, if you like do something with flowers, whatever you do, something creative. If you're doing something creative, be observe things. Okay, observation, your observation skill is on point. That is what your future self wants you to know that. Okay, so use it wisely. Wisdom of your body, listen to wisdom of your body. For some of you, it's like hydration. So if you feel like you need to drink water, go ahead and drink water. So if you feel like drinking water now, so pause the video and drink the water. Okay, so yeah, your body needs it. So if you're craving for some food, go and have it. If you feel like resting, go rest. If you feel like calling a friend, call. If you feel like having a bath, go and have a bath. So whatever you feel like, listen to your body. Okay, listen to the wisdom of your body. Your body gives you messages, so listen to that carefully. That is what your future self is saying. And I'm seeing a presence of a grandfather for you guys. So maybe your grandfather, if he's not with you, I feel his energy is with you. They are trying this grandfather of yours is trying to get your attention. Okay, I feel like that. Maybe if you can light a candle for your grandfather, or maybe your ancestors, like your great grandfathers. Maybe like if it's possible, you can just light a candle or do some rituals if you want to do it, if you feel like it. If you feel intuitively, go ahead and do it. Okay, yeah, you can manifest through awareness. Like I feel like awareness, like you can observe things. Okay, so if you're getting a sign, if you feel it, like you see something and you feel like, oh, this is the message. If you receive some message, take it, because that is your message. Okay, so be in the present moment. I feel like your future self is saying to practice mindfulness. Okay, like meditation, doing yoga, balancing your chakras, that is very important, and your time is now. They're telling, the future self of yours is trying to tell you to be in the present moment. Maybe you're thinking too much about your past, or you're stressing about your future. If you're doing that, like your present, your future self is saying to concentrate on your present. Okay, so let's see what are the keywords for you guys from your future self. For you guys, for group number 3, what are the keywords from their future self? Okay, so let's see, you got 4. Bold. Oh yeah, look at, you're very bold. It's time to be bold. Take action. Okay, sometimes because of other people we don't take bold steps, right? Because we are afraid of other people. So it's like your future self is saying that you're very bold and you're very brave, and you're smarter than you think. Okay, that is what I feel. Your future self wants you to know that. So if you feel like that you need to take this drastic step, maybe for some of you it's like completely quitting a job and doing something different. If you want to do it, go take that step, right? Victory. Yeah, this thing will give you victory though. Okay, so yeah, you're going to be victorious. So whatever step you take now, the outcome will be very good, right? It will be victorious. You'll be victory. Dance. Oh, for some of you it's like you want to dance, or maybe it's like dance to the rhythm of life, like be in the present moment, enjoy every step of your life, right? For some of you it's like you're very creative, you do that dance things, or you are good at, you want to learn dancing or something like that, do that. Or if you want to make a career in dancing, go for it. Like, let go. Yeah, you need to let go of that fear. You need to let go of what other people will think. Sometimes it's the society, like because of the society, because of our parents, we because of our own fear, because of our lack of confidence, we don't take that step. Like your future self is saying to take that step. You're very aware. Be in the present moment. Enjoy your present time. Let go of the future that is not manifested yet, and let go of the past that is over. So be in the present moment. Okay, that is what your future self advises. I feel like, yeah, new path is opening up for you guys. So definitely with this, and this path will give you a lot of victory. So be patient, guys. Don't be impatient. The impatient is only the problem. Okay, for some of you it's like, oh, my age will go if I don't achieve this by this age. Yeah, sometimes like I need to get married by the age of 30 or 35, like because of because of our society there is so much, right? So it's like you need to let go of that. Be patient, guys. Your future self is saying a path is opening up for you guys. Take that bold step, move forward. It's time to climb the ladder, because you're going to climb the ladder of success. Okay, so slow but steady also I'm getting. It's not going to be very fast paced energy for you guys, but definitely be aware of the signs. I feel like the universe will give you a lot of hints, so be aware of it. Okay, and yes, the path is opening up. Take that step. If you want to quit that job and get into a new thing that you want to do, or maybe a relationship that is not working for you guys, it's time to take that bold step. Or if you want to do something different, like, go for it. It's time to take, yeah, a lot of conflicts. Maybe for you guys there are friends around you who are not supportive, or maybe they say something or gossip about you, and you are like you get into this conflict state because of them. Or maybe you feel like the path you want to take, maybe you want to get into this dance thing, and you feel like that there are a lot of people doing the same thing. How I will achieve something, how I can be victorious, maybe you question that. So don't do that. Okay, yeah, focus on the things you want to manifest in your life. Don't focus on the things that you don't want. Like if you want to make a dance, just an example, if you want to do dancing, concentrate on that, not concentrate on what other people will think or whether I'll be successful or not. No, don't do that. Enjoy that thing. Whatever you're doing, enjoy it, whatever that thing is. Okay, yeah. Again, we have a new path and we have a new beginning for you guys, a new inspirational idea. I feel like for some of you it's like you're birthing a new idea. So for some of you, you will be letting go of certain things that is not working for you right now, and you will be changing your direction a bit. But this change of direction will be a bold step from your part, but it will be very successful. Okay. So yeah, a big idea is coming your way, guys. I feel like that, a big idea that will be presented to you, an inspirational idea from the divine. So be aware. Okay, open your eyes. Maybe for some of you, maybe it's an email. So be aware, be in the present moment. Yeah, that is very important here for you guys. Yeah, you're breaking your patterns, you're getting out of this. Like, this is like, maybe for some of you, I feel like you are putting yourself in this prison, right? Because of the society, because of your own limited beliefs, because what my parents will think, because what my friends will think, because if I don't succeed, what will they think about me? Oh, I will be very I will feel very shameful, like lot of things sometimes, right? Isn't it? Sometimes, oh, if my artwork is not beautiful, what will other people say? You need to get out of that energy. That is what your spirit guides, your future self wants you to know. You are putting yourself, you are putting yourself in a cage. So get out of that cage, and you can get out of that conflict, because this is all your conflict. Maybe someone said to you something like, oh, your art is not good, and you took that, you took that, right? And you don't have to take that emotion. Let it go. Okay. Oh, calling in your soulmate. Oh my god. And this could be the one. Okay, for some of you, if you're manifesting, okay, it's if you're manifesting a soulmate, yeah, definitely it's happening in your future self. Your future self is saying you don't have to worry about your love life. Yes, you will meet your soulmate, and this is the one. For some of you, I feel like you already met this person, and your future self is confirming that yes, this is the one. Yeah, this is your soulmate. If you have been manifesting, and if you have met this person, yes, this is the one. If you haven't, your soulmate is coming. Okay, you don't have to worry. Be patient, guys. Yes, if you have been manifesting that, it's coming. You will know it. When you will meet this person, you will know it. Intuitively, you will know it. Just trust it. Trust your body. Maybe you will get this goosebumps, and you will feel like, oh, maybe you will get this like butterflies in your stomach emotion, something like that, right? And when you feel like that, it's the one. It's the one, guys. Okay. So yeah, if you have been manifesting this soulmate of yours, yes, that is happening. And for others, I feel like a friend, a good friend. Maybe you have friends that they are not good, like maybe they are jealous, they gossip about you. You're getting out of that friend circle and manifesting new good friends. Okay. Do you need anything else to hear? Everything will be in the right order at the right time. Everything will manifest for you, guys. Your future self is saying. So don't put yourself in this jail. Okay. So get out of the jail. Do the things that you want to do. If you have a passion, go for it. Do that. Right? If you want to dance, go for it. So yeah, be bold and take that step. Everything will be in the right order. Listen to the wisdom of your body. Okay. 3 number is about growth, expansion, right? Joy, enjoying things, enjoying life. That is what your future self is saying you to do, not to be in this present. For some of you are putting yourself in prison. Don't do that. Okay. And then sage of higher knowledge. So a lot of answers are coming your way. So trust your intuition. I told you to be aware, like I told you to observe things, right? So yeah, that is what it is. When you will observe things, you will know. You will get all your answers. That is what your future self wants you to know. So when you're feeling like, sometimes when we plan to take bold steps, we stress, right? And we have doubts. So whenever you feel that doubt, meditate, ground your energy, ask for guidance. You will get that guidance. That is what your future self wants you to know. Okay. So yeah, if you get this idea, a good idea is coming your way. So take that idea, go for it. Okay. So yeah, everything will be, you don't have to worry. Right now, maybe your thoughts are all like this, up and down, but eventually everything will come in the right order. Don't worry about anything. That is what your future self is saying. Don't worry, take action, go for it. Everything will manifest at the correct time. Be aware. And focus on your present moment. This is the thing. And focus on your creativity. Don't take other people's criticism, right, too seriously. Constructive criticism is good. You can take that, you can improve that, but don't take, there will be some people who will say things without even thinking. You don't have to take it seriously. Okay, that is what is for my group number 3. Bye bye, take care.